Hi everyone, we are going to start our surreal collage and I am starting with 7 photocopies and some rubber cement, mixed media paper, and a ruler X-Acto knife. So right now I'm just cutting the white edges off my photocopies, and my next step is going to be to cut pieces out of my photocopies. I'm going to make sure the pieces are all the same sizes. So right now I'm using my cutting mat to help me measure, and I'm measuring my sizes. I think they were probably about like 2 by 3 inches, something around there. Doesn't really matter the size. You can choose the size just as long as the size is the same in all your pieces. For this project, I want you to get creative. I don't want everybody's project to look the same. We are going to treat this as a broken up puzzle, and you are going to put the puzzle together in the way that you find the most interesting. So after we have cut all of our pieces and we start playing around with the pieces onto our mixed media paper, figuring out where we're going to glue them, what they're going to look like. And once we get them all glued, your final result is your surrealist collage. In this case, it's my self-portrait. Have fun making your surrealist collage, everyone, and make cool art.